One of the most useful things about Phantom Buster is that you can set your phantoms up to launch automatically and repeatedly, which means that they will run in the background without you having to do anything. So the way to do this is to go to your phantom setup and go to the settings section. And here you'll find your launch settings. So the first is manually, which is straightforward. Every time you click the launch button on your Phantom's console page, the Phantom will launch, but not otherwise. Then you have this repeatedly option. And when you click here, you'll see that you have a bunch of options. You can choose to launch multiple times per day. And this will mean that the Phantom launches at equally spaced intervals throughout a 24-hour period. You've got the same but per hour. And then you have per working hour. And working hours on Phantom Buster are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in your time zone as set in the org settings of your account, and they include weekends. Now there are a couple of other launch settings which you'll find here in the advanced settings. The first is repeatedly advanced. With this option you can choose the exact minutes of the exact hours, the exact days, and days of the week and months that you want your Phantoms to launch on. So for example, as this is currently set, my Phantom will launch at 40 minutes past each of these hours every day. So you can choose multiple times per hour, just like this. The next option is you can choose to launch a Phantom every time another Phantom finishes. This is a particularly useful option whenever you're chaining Phantoms together. So for example, maybe I want my LinkedIn Network Booster to launch after my LinkedIn search export so that I can add the new profiles that I've extracted from a search. And you can choose which Phantom you want it to launch after here. And it means that every time this Phantom finishes, the current Phantom will start its new launch. And then the final option you have is once. This is where you choose an exact day and time to launch your Phantom as a one-off. And you can choose this right here on a calendar and the time as well. And once you've chosen your launch settings, hit save and close. And that's all you have to do. You can leave it now. Your Phantom will launch at the times you have set it to. The great thing about the Phantoms are that they run from the cloud, so you don't need to have your Phantom Buster account open or your computer on for them to do that. Your job is done.